Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to change your region on Epic Games. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to open your browser, then type Epic Games region change. Click on it. This option right here, click on it. Then click here in order to start the country change process. And what you're going to do now is to log in with your account. And here in my case, because in fact I didn't change my country and I didn't move from a country to another, it will show me this message right here. But if you really moved from a country to a country, it will show you another page like this one right here. And then all you have to do is to click here. Then it will show you a page like this one. All you have to do is to fill in the information of your account, then scroll down till you find this section right here in the address section. All you have to do is click on this partition, country region partition, and change your country that you have moved to. And make sure that this method won't work if you really didn't move from a country to another. Then after finishing, all you have to do is to click on save changes, and congratulations. Now you have changed your country or region on your Epic Games account. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.